Hello friends, welcome back to another What I Eat in a Week. I am starting the day with a pre-workout snack. I am having a boiled egg with almond balanced tea. This tea has a lot of great benefit for the body. It's a great source of iron, zinc, magnesium, potassium, and calcium that our body needs. After working out, I make myself a blueberry smoothie with toast. Blueberries are not only delicious, but also offer a variety of health benefits, rich in antioxidant, heart health, brain function, and it also helps in muscle recovery. Yes, they have a lot of health benefits. I love having this type of smoothie, especially in the morning. I have shared this recipe multiple times on the channel. I will make sure to add the recipe in the description box.
I'm starting to think that we do things way too differently to take this seriously.
For lunch, I am making beef stew by using simple ingredients like plantain, kale, which is rich in nutrients, contain potent antioxidant, may promote heart health, blood sugar control, and I'm also using Japanese sweet potato. It turned out very delicious. The next day, it was time for me to meal prep because I do have a 13-hour shift on Wednesday. So I seasoned some vegetables like pumpkin, cassava, a leftover of kale, and add some seasoning. And I baked them for 15 to 20 minutes. For my protein, I shredded some chicken breast that I cook. This month, I am putting effort to balance the meals that I'm eating, and I also bake some oats for breakfast, and I put them in 3 different containers for my husband and I. I'm going to have the shredded chicken and the vegetable for lunch and dinner because I'm not gonna have time to cook afterward. I did not film on Wednesday, but on Thursday it was a day of farm work, so I started the day with a clove tea, which is rich in antioxidant and vitamin C, which plays a crucial role in strengthening the immune system. Because I do work with sick people, it's very important for me to support my body with anti-inflammatory food and drink. So for breakfast, I making myself overnight oats, and I add some apples, some almonds, and some peanut butter. For dinner, I am making veggie scrambled eggs with plantain and sweet potatoes. This is a great way for me to eat mushroom, and I also add some daily turkey breast for extra protein. Japanese sweet potatoes are a great source of vitamin A, C, and B6 mineral.
Got this song up inside of me, in a world I don't wanna say. Just the same damn thing. What's your height, what's your age, what's the price of your weight? And every year we're expected to show all the things that we were able to grow. When you're making half the money, but the cost is double.
Saturday was a day work for me. I had a boiled eggs with a piece of banana bread that I made the night before. I did get off from work around 4 o'clock, so I decided to cook dinner. I kept it simple. I mixed the eggs with some leftover rice and chicken that I had in the fridge and put it in the wrap. Yes, I kept it simple and I had a side of orange. And for dessert, I had some leftover banana bread with peanut butter. Yes, that's everything I ate for this week. Don't forget that your health is your wealth. Take care of yourself, and I will see you in the next one. Bye bye.
Life of desperation.